Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to resize an image in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now I'll resize this image. Click this edit option. Now select here edit image and click on this image. First I'll change the image size. Click right button and select properties. This image appearance option, image height and width. I'll change height 10 and wide I'll make 17 and see this. Also I'll center this image alignment horizontal center, and also you can rotate this image. See this, you can rotate clockwise, and also you can flip this images. This is vertical flip, and this is crop option, you can crop this image also. Crop. And see this, in this we can crop. Also you can rotate this image customly. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.